How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'm back again with a new episode of Tiny Home Tuesday. Where on Tuesdays, I showcase a particular park model tiny home coming in at 399 square feet that we have available right here at Recreational Resort Cottages. And this Tuesday, I'm bringing to you the Agate Rustic Luxury. I am back again with a all new episode of Tiny Home Tuesday. And yes, you know when I'm coming back with something new and improved like always. So with that said, you may be familiar with the model by the name of the Agate, which is a fan favorite and a super popular floor plan for a variety of individuals. With that said, I have come here to the factories to get this home as soon as it came off the press, fresh off the press, high and ready with the new features never before seen. So with that said, this agate here behind me, exactly as you see it today, is 15 feet wide, 34 feet long. That's including this 8-foot front porch. And it's on sale today for $94K. $94,000. You'll get everything you see in this home besides furniture and decor. With that said, what are we known for here at Recreational Resort Cottages? If you're subscribed like you should be, you know the answer. That is aesthetics and curb appeal provided in 399 square feet of tiny home living, to be exact. With that said, I know it's a lot to say, but with that said, this is what you're going to get today in this Agate Rustic Luxury, starting here on the exterior. As you see on the outside of this home, we have a cinnamon walnut accent, which captures your attention as soon as you arrive outside of this home. We've complemented that with a composite gray Trex decking. We have the black porch post as well as your rebar railing. We've topped it off with a black metal roof, and then on the base paint of this home, we have a Dover gray. So with that said, we're adding some very rustic and neutral aesthetics, but with a pop of color that is meant to last. And speaking of meant to last, what that means is that this cinnamon walnut accent that you'll see on the front wall as well as the interior porch ceiling has a what? 50-year warranty, ladies and gentlemen. 50 years. It's UV protected. You do not have to worry about staining or maintaining that product, and it is energy efficient. With that said, it is scratch resistant as well. So that is not only a great focal point, but it is here for the long haul, because that's what you get when you come to Recreational Resort Cottages. And with that said, outside of the focal point on the front porch wall, what you'll see here as you walk up onto this outdoor living space is a great feature. Get a good look at the three-finger salute. That's what I like to call it right there. That new and improved crow's foot accent. You know that you've seen the original crow's feet that we have there in the porch. What that is a new type of header. This is not a crow's foot. This is the three-finger salute. So you are going to get 3 vertical posts right there just to add some aesthetic to the exterior of the home. Also, get a good look that all the exterior windows are black. We have the black feature there on your windows rather than the traditional white, because that is going to complement the black and the aesthetic that we have on the exterior of this home. We also have a transom window right here up above the front door. We've even painted the front door black as well, and that does have blinds and glass. But get a good look of that interior porch ceiling where you will see that cinnamon walnut. It is already wired and braced for a ceiling fan as well as 2 exterior can lights. So outdoor living space, as you see, you have plenty of space to enjoy and entertain. Now, this is just the exterior of the Agate. You know I featured this in a variety of styles in the past, but you ain't seen it like this yet. So follow me inside. And as we come in, this is what you're greeted with. As you come into the main living area, in your living room, you'll see that what's so popular about the Agate floor plan is that you have this large width of being 15 feet wide. With that said, you get a very traditional living room wall space. With that said, you can get up to a traditional size couch, a full size couch in a 399 square foot tiny home, ladies and gentlemen. So if you do not want to do just the couch itself, you can do a love seat, a recliner, or a couple of recliners. You have options. Also, what I love about this particular Agate Rustic Luxury is, look, we've added the hang 10 package. That means you have 10-foot sidewalls going throughout this model. Also, get a good look of that slate beams that we have in the home. 2 slate beams that we have there in the living area. We have that 3-blade black ceiling fan. We also have here 2 windows here down low, as well as 2 transom windows up top. So that natural light you'll see here. Again, I told you I came straight to the source, came straight to our manufacturing facility to get this home fresh off the press. So there's no electricity in here. So I'm giving it to you in the middle of the day with no electricity. So you can see how much this natural light goes a long way. And with that said, with this main living room area, you see that we have a new feature by the name of the floating entertainment center. What I love about this is not only is it handy, of course, to set your TV if you want to go more of a traditional style, but you also have the open cubbies there, whether you want to store your satellite receiver or whatever it is that you use there, gaming systems, etc. But you also have the ample space down below for storage. Keep in mind, it is already pre-prepped behind this picture here. So if you want to mount your TV on the wall, you can do so and have plenty of space here for decor, as you see here. So I love that floating entertainment center option. Also, get a good look of this front wall here in the Agate Rustic Luxury, and you'll see here that it has a 36-inch blinds and glass door. We have it up today because we want to bring in that natural light like I talked about. But also, we have that transom window up top, which you can get a good look of that cinnamon walnut accent on that ceiling. I love being able to sit here in this house and just sit back and relax and get a good shot of that interior porch ceiling. That's quality, and I love it, and it is a great focal point. Also, you can see here with the floor plan layout, transitioning from the living area into the kitchen, it's an open layout. So with that said, you can easily have items like you see here, which is the roll-away drop leaf island that you can roll around at your leisure. We just put that in here to give you options and to visualize the possibilities. With that said, you have plenty of cabinet space here in the kitchen. You'll see a great feature that we have here are the new color cabinets by the name of Peachy Keen. Yes, this is the Peachy Keen 42-inch interior cabinets here. So with that said, you have plenty of space here in the kitchen for storage. Also down below, we have a 4-drawer bank here, an additional cabinet here. That Peachy Keen paired with the black bar pools looks lovely. I love that as well. We also have the Bella Romano countertop right here going throughout the kitchen. You'll see as well that we have the maroon backsplash going from the countertop up to the bottom of the top shelf there. And you'll see here that we even have the unique wood shelving as well as the flat brackets right here for you. So that is a great feature, and a new feature here in this particular Agate model is having those open shelves there, which work great, as you can see here, for decor, but they can also work great for the purpose of storage. So you can utilize that for a storage space. And then do not forget that you have another transom window up top, up above that top shelf. Again, we're trying to bring in as much natural light as possible. And then, of course, down low, everyone needs the kitchen sink window. So that way, if you're washing your hands, washing the dishes, whatever it is, you can look out onto your property accordingly. I love this black farmhouse sink 2-basin. We do have the detachable sprayer there for your convenience. That pairs so lovely with these black bar pools. Keep in mind, we have the black appliances in this model. So you're going to have the standard style oven. A lot of times we showcase the smooth top. We've showcased gas. Let's go back traditional, the standard. A lot of y'all, hey, this just goes to show you the options that we have. So we have thrown in this coil top stove there for you. We have the microwave up above. Again, traditional storage up top. Again, if there is space for us to include some storage in a tiny home, we're going to do so. And speaking of storage in a tiny home, let's go right past this side-by-side fridge with ice in the door. And what do we have here? I told you storage, so I'm giving you a 6-door pantry right there in your hallway. So that way you can store all of your canned goods. There's a great option here for you. And I love having that centralized. So that way you can utilize it for kitchen, or you could utilize it for the bath, or just a hall storage. The options are endless. And speaking of bath, let's take it in. You see all the fixtures in this home are black as well. So we have the black lever handles there. And we'll take it into the bathroom. And as we come in, we have the peachy keen cabinets going in the kitchen. Well, I've given you the black satin cabinets in the bathroom. We changed it up for you. Just want to hit you with a surprise. And also notice we even changed the countertop in the bathroom. We went ahead and thrown in the Calcutta Lincoln, which is a new feature there. We've had some Calcutta options in the past, but this Calcutta Lincoln is a great choice if you're especially wanting to go for that new and improved look. And we've even paired that with a 2-row backsplash in black as well. And you can see that we have that black faucet there. Also, an additional window up above the toilet. We have the traditional 48-inch step-in shower. So when you have the Hang 10 package, again, ladies and gentlemen, look how much room you have in here. Hey, this is 10 feet of interior sidewalls, and I'm 6'1" of fun. So you can see you got plenty of space and opportunity in here to do everything that you need to. Also, we'll go behind pocket door number deuce, and you'll see here that we have the bedroom. And in the bedroom, what do we have, ladies and gentlemen? We have a queen size bed set up for you. So that way you can bring the visualization to life. A lot of you want to say, Mr. Tiny, what size bed can I fit in your tiny homes? Well, I can tell you in this Agate modern and rustic luxury, I should say, that you have enough space for a queen size bed and 2 traditional nightstands. Again, you could easily fit a king size bed in here if you wanted, but this shows you how much walkability that you have in this bedroom. And keep in mind, this is tiny home living and downsizing as a lifestyle. Well, guess what? This is the type of lifestyle you may want to live right here. You have everything that you need, the necessities. And with that said, we have 2 more clear stories down low. We have 2 more transoms up top. We have the 3-blade black ceiling fan there for you as well. And just with that 10-foot sidewall, this just opens up this room so much. And I know what you're saying. Mr. Tiny, I didn't see a space for the washer and dryer, and I don't see a closet right here. Well, guess what, honey? Calm down. I got to show you what's in here. Just follow me. You know I got you. Follow me behind the 3rd and final pocket door. And what do you got here? The space for a stackable washing machine and dryer, hidden out of sight, out of mind. So you have plenty of space there to put in your stackable washing machine and dryer, and you even have enough space up above to insert some additional shelving if you wanted to after delivery. Once the home's delivered on your property, you can do what you wish. So I've had plenty of clients add some additional shelving, cabinetry, whatever you want once it's there. That's an option. And as you come in here, what do we have, ladies and gentlemen? The walk-in closet. That is what makes the Agate Rustic Luxury so special in this particular floor plan, is you get all of the functionality of this home with the added cherry on top of the walk-in closet. So you can see here, you have plenty of space for shoes, for clothing. You have plenty of hanging space. You have shelving space up top. And you even have, again, more natural light coming in through the window. And as you can see here, we already got it set up for you. For those of you that's got a motorcycle or some motorcycle dreams, it's already ready to go right here. You see that this is a great option and plenty of space and opportunity for you to downsize by not having to get up all of your wardrobe. Now follow me back through, and you'll see as you come back through the bedroom, this is the functionality of the floor plan. Look how this opens up with this area here. And then as you transition from the bedroom back into the kitchen, those peachy keen cabinets are talking to you. You hear them talking? Because I can hear them. Bringing in just that pop of color into the kitchen as you make your way back over to the living area. functionality of this floor plan is endless with this floating entertainment center and, of course, this main living room area. So this is why the Agate Rustic Luxury is a great option if you're currently in the market for a 399 square foot tiny home. That's why I had to come here right when they hit me up and said, Mr. Tiny, it's coming offline. It's almost done. I said, put it in the parking lot because I'll be there with a camera and crew to record this so that way I can bring it to my people and my subscribers who are in the market so you can see the new and improved options we're bringing here at Recreational Resort Cottages. And again, this Agate Rustic Luxury, as you see it today, is 15 feet wide, 34 feet long, including the 8-foot front porch. And it's on sale today for $94K. $94K, you'll get everything you've seen today besides furniture and decor. All the appliances and additional options are included exactly as you see it. So if you are interested in this, you better hit me up expeditiously. Also, if you enjoyed the video today, please hit that like button so that way this video can be promoted and hit the suggested section for plenty of people in the market on YouTube. So that helps out a lot, and a simple thumbs up goes a long way. Also, if you're subscribed, like you should be, you're part of the family. If you haven't subscribed already, hit that button so you can see new and improved videos each and every week. Also, leave me a comment. Let me know what your favorite feature of the Agate Rustic Luxury was today. Was it the Peachy Keen cabinets? Was it the cinnamon walnut accent on the front of the home? Was it the walk-in closet? Was it the 10-foot sidewalls or the slate wood beams in the living room? You let me know so I can keep those features coming in the future. And guys, thank you so much for tuning in. If you want to contact me directly today to purchase this Agate Rustic Luxury, you know what to do. Run on over to Instagram right now at the Mr. Tiny, at TheMrTiny. You can connect with I anytime. I'm selling the Agate Rustic Luxury as well as hundreds of other models directly off of my Instagram. So you can contact me day or night, and I'll make sure that price is right. And until next time, my name is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'll see you next Tiny Home Tuesday. And that's an option.